guys, welcome back and to part 15 of the series how to make an epic Discord server for your YouTube channel. And it's been a long road, my friends, and in part 15 once again I am going to be working on the server stats category. I'll create a new channel and Twitch announcement. This is very important, my friends, because even though I don't have an active Twitch account, thing is that I cannot ignore its value. Twitch is very big, and I'm going to use Mee6 bot once again. In the plugin section I'll click Twitch and enable this plugin, and I'm going to copy my Twitch username because they weren't giving me liquid ocelot, so it's red liquid ocelot, and I'm going to paste it over here, my friends. They will fetch it out somehow, yes, and I'm going to choose the channel Twitch announcements and save it, my friends. So this is also completed, my friends, and I have made a mistake, so I'll just edit this channel to announcements S, save the changes. So part 15 is complete, my friends, and stay tuned. Things are getting really intense right in here, my friends. Last 15 parts coming right up, my friends.